Hello everyone, I'm Akash. Here I have bought a new juicer. It's an hand juicer. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video and share with others. So this is how the packing looks like from inside. It's packed with all over plastic. So it's completely plastic product. Let's remove the rubber bands. Here we get a plastic glass. It is where the juice will be stored. Let's keep this aside. One more rubber band. Here we get the juicer handle, which is made of metal and the edge roller is made of plastic. Now let's open the top cap. Here we can see the directions to open and close the nut. Here the filter is actually made of metal. There is a screw. It is made of plastic. Let's fit this back in. So at the bottom we see a vacuum which will help the juices to stick on the platform and make a grip so that it won't move while you are stirring the juicer. So it's easy to clean and easy to fix it back. So this is what we get in the box. So that's it for today. Have a good day.